Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the immediate noise. Open the panel, confirm the Honeywell model, and have your user code at hand. Enter your code and press OFF or the silence key to mute beeps. This addresses transient alarms. Once done, inspect the display for battery or AC fault icons. Those cause repetitive chirps. Make sure the system is not reporting an active alarm condition before proceeding. That prevents resetting the wrong issue and keeps you from missing a real alert. Next, diagnose likely hardware causes. You check the transformer and AC indicator because loss of AC or low voltage leads to beeping. Replacing the transformer or restoring power stops those alerts. Then inspect wireless sensors. Opening covers, cleaning contacts, and reseating batteries often clears chirps caused by low cells. Once components look good, run a system or walk test to pinpoint the faulty sensor or zone. This reveals why. Finally, complete the repair with a proper reset and verification. You perform the manufacturer reset sequence to clear stored faults. Make sure to follow model-specific steps so you don't lose settings. Replace the backup battery if older than 3 to 5 years and tighten terminal connections because intermittent contact causes recurring chirps. Once reset, arm and disarm to confirm silence. If the beeping returns, note any error code on the display and contact your installer or Honeywell support with that code for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.